Hey everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basic. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through how to change avatar frame in Evony. So let's get started right away. First, make sure to load up your Evony game on your device, and then after you are in this page, tap on your profile picture or the profile avatar at the top left hand corner. This will then take you to your profile. From the profile page, tap on details at the bottom left. Now, tap on your profile picture at the top left. You'll be able to see three options: change avatar frame, and change image. To change your avatar frame for your character, tap on change avatar frame in the middle and then choose from multitudes of avatars. If any of them is available to you, you'll be able to change to it. Simply go ahead and select the avatar frame and tap on change at the bottom. Soon after you do that, you should be able to change your avatar frame on Evony. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon in the next episode. Goodbye till then.